Hello students, in this video I'll be discussing with you two questions related to Lanthanide series. You already know Lanthanide series comprises of 14 elements. If you are not clear about those 14 elements, I'd already made a video regarding it and I'll give you the link within the description box. You can check it out from there. So the first question is related to the stability. Let us consider 4 elements related to the question series: cerium, praseodymium, samarium and europium. Their general electronic configuration is specified on the screen. Further, you need to consider them in their ionic form in their +2 states. Okay. So cerium in its +2 state, that means 2 electrons you have to remove from the valence shell. So this 2 electrons will be given out. You are left with this type of electronic configuration, that is xenon 4f2. Praseodymium, again 2 electrons are removed, left with 4f3. Samarium, again 2 electrons are given out, left with 4f6. Europium, 2 electrons given out, left with 4f7. You can clearly observe one thing here is the europium element, europium ion rather, with its 4f7. 4f shell with 7 electrons. That means it is having its half-filled stability, right? Since f orbitals can occupy 14 electrons at the most, and it is able to show its half-filled stability, and on that basis I can say europium ion is the stable element. Okay, so to find out what kind of question appeared in the entrance test, let us move ahead. See the question on your screen. Which of the following is more stable? Cerium, europium, samarium or praseodymium? So the answer is option number 2, that is europium. Okay, that's about the first question of this Lanthanide series. Now we'll move to the next type of question which has been asked regarding Lanthanide series. For that we'll find out the abundance of these elements. Okay, let us move ahead. Some of the lanthanides like cerium, lanthanum and neodymium are very common and are found to occur in fairly large quantities within the Earth's crust, right? So because of this, originally lanthanides, which were called as rare elements, they are no more called as rare elements. Okay. Now if we consider lanthanide series incomplete, except promethium, all the lanthanides occur naturally. Okay. So let us consider few of them. The first one is the lanthanum. Lanthanum is found with other lanthanides within the ore minerals like monazite, bastnäsite, xenotime, specified on your screen. As far as lanthanum is concerned, it was discovered in the year 1839 by Carl Monseter. Okay, let us move ahead. The next in the series is cerium. Cerium is named after the dwarf planet Ceres, and it was discovered in the year 1803. The main discoverer was Berzelius along with certain other companions. It is one of the most reactive rare earth metals, and that you can simply observe. It has been seen when you scratch cerium with the help of a knife, the pure metal of cerium may ignite. So you can just imagine its reactivity. Okay. As far as the minerals are concerned from which you can extract cerium, those are allanite, monazite, bastnäsite, cerite, orthrite, samarskite, and there are certain more minerals to it. It is found in abundance within the Earth's crust. Particularly you get it from India, Brazil and Southern California. The next one in the series is thorium. The most common source of thorium is the rare earth phosphate mineral, that is monazite. Okay. In addition, other minerals are specified on your screen like thorite, euxenite, xenotime, gadolinite. Okay. It is the 41st most abundant element, and it can be easily mined or mainly mined in Australia, Canada, US, Russia and India. Right? It is a slightly radioactive element as well. After that, the next one in the series is uranium. Uranium is commonly found within a mineral ore, uraninite, which was generally named as pitchblende ore. Okay, and now it is named as uraninite. So uranium is one of the most common elements in the Earth's crust. It is 40 times more common than silver and 500 times more common than gold. You can just imagine how commonly you can observe uranium within the Earth's crust. 40 times more common than silver, 500 times more common than gold, right? So you can just say it is found almost everywhere in rocks, soil, rivers, oceans. It's found everywhere, right? The main uranium ore are present within Kazakhstan, Canada, Australia, Russia, South Africa, Namibia, China, and Nigeria. Okay? The largest uranium reserves, these are basically the largest uranium reserves which I have specified to you. And the mineral ores from which this uranium can be extracted. One of the important one already specified, uraninite. In addition, there are different minerals also possible: carnotite, taubonite, autunite, and twamanite. Okay, so that's about the concept of abundance of these four elements in particular. Now let us move towards the question. So again, this is a question which was asked in common entrance test. Pitchblende is an ore of, is it lanthanum, cerium, uranium, or thorium? So you're aware now, pitchblende is an ore of uranium. So your option number 3 is the correct answer. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. Work hard. Stay safe.